Okay, here's our two little Christmas boys. There's our two little Christmas boys. See, both of them are pretty. See, we have pretty markings. We got pretty faces. Here's our other one. Okay, this one here has a white face with a white rise between his eyes. He has a white neck, white front feet. Has a mark on his rear end. Has a mark that comes around halfway around his neck, a collar. Has a little white on his rump. His two white rear feet are white. He has a white tip on his tail. So that's one little boy. It has the white markings on his face. He's a genetic chocolate. The other one has a lot of white markings also. Let's see. He's got a mostly brown face with a white chin and a white neck. It's real pretty. Has two white front legs. Has real nice white markings on his back. Has one white spot on his back there. He's got two white back legs and a little white tip on his tail. So both the little Christmas puppies, they're chocolate and white. It's kind of hard to tell in this lighting, but they're chocolate. You can see the brown when I get a little closer. They're going to be gorgeous. So nothing beats chocolate for Christmas. So we're pretty little puppies. We're pretty. Just wait till our hair grows out. So we're going to have long hair. You can keep it in a puppy cut. So we love to give hugs and kisses. So you can't get anything better than this for Christmas.